So, 10th class, we are to start our new chapter, HTML forms. Before I start with the chapter and the coding, let us discuss the general meaning of form. Beta, physically, you people have seen forms in many ways. Like, suppose you are applying for any competition exam, so you fill the form manually, the printed form. How the form look like? Some labels are there, some text boxes are there where you fill the information. Name, then one box is there, age, one box is there, class, father name, mother name, address, city, state, mobile number, Aadhaar number, email ID, password. Okay, so after all these labels, you see small, a long box where you actually enter your data. Okay, then sometimes you have seen that in the form you have different options, and one small checkbox is there where you put the tick. You can tick as many check boxes as you want. You can tick as many check boxes as you want. Clear? So, what is this form? The form is taking information from you. The form is taking the information from you people. Right? And whatever information you are filling, the information will be submitted at the other end. Like physically you fill the form and you submit the form in the school. The school authorities will send your form to CBSE. This was about the physical form, the one which you fill manually. Now let us talk about the form in digital way, the online form. In the online form, you have the same labels. You have a text box where you type your name, you type the information, address, age, father name, mother name, whatever information is required. And after filling the form, you click on the submit button. I give one very live example to you. How many of you have appeared for Google form test or paper sometimes? So many class tests come in Google form. Your science paper is also in Google form. You fill your name, class, section. You attempt all your answers. You attempt your MCQs. When you see the MCQs, you might have noticed a small circle is there before every option. And you can select only one circle. You can select only one circle. That circle is an object with the name radio button. Okay. So what is a form? Beta, form means taking information from the user, from the visitor of the site. Taking information from the visitor of the site. The information that is filled by the visitor, the information that is filled by the user, the information is submitted to the server, where final processing of the form takes place. So HTML form is a section of HTML document which contains the normal content and some elements. The elements which are contained in the form are known as controls. They are known as controls. Okay, clear? The elements of the form, they are known as controls. What all controls you can create in your form? Text box, multi-line box, password, radio button, check box. Okay, then submit button, reset button, combo box, list box. All these different type of controls you can create in order to develop your HTML form. Clear? So in nutshell, what is the meaning of HTML form? Beta, HTML form means to collect the information or data from the visitor of the site. Okay, and how it is done? It is done with the help of controls. Okay, the user fills the information in the given boxes and the information is submitted to the server. Okay, now comes the meaning of control. What is control? Beta, control means the object. Control means the object through which the user interact with the form. You are to fill your name. You will fill your name in the given text box. You are to fill the password. You will fill your password in the box. आप अपनी सोशल मीडिया साइट पे लॉगिन करते हो. लॉगिन करते वक्त आप एक बॉक्स के अंदर अपनी आईडी भरते हो और एक बॉक्स के अंदर अपना पासवर्ड भरते हो. वो क्या है? वो कंट्रोल्स है, वो ऑब्जेक्ट्स है. देन यू क्लिक ऑन द लॉगिन बटन और यू क्लिक ऑन द साइन इन बटन. They are buttons. Okay, you fill the Google form, you attempt your paper in Google form, and at the last of the Google form there is one button, submit. Once you click on the submit button, your form get submitted to the server, where final processing will take place. Where the final processing will take place. Now, there are two terms, front end and back end. What is front end and what is the back end? Beta, the form where you fill the information, that is called the front end. See this example in front of you. First name, box is there. Last name, one box is there. This box is a text box. Text box is used to input single line text. Text box is used to input the single line text. You can input multiple line box also. That is called text area. One is single line input box. Second is multi-line input text box. Beta, in single line input text box, you can input only one single line. But if you want to fill text in the multiple lines, you have to use text area object. टेक्स्ट बॉक्स भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, एक कंट्रोल है. टेक्स्ट एरिया भी एक कंट्रोल, एक ऑब्जेक्ट है. डिफरेंस क्या है? द टेक्स्ट बॉक्स ऑब्जेक्ट, द टेक्स्ट बॉक्स कंट्रोल इज यूज्ड टू प्रोवाइड सिंगल लाइन इनपुट and the text area object is used to provide multiple line input. Am I clear up till here? Yes, 10th class, am I clear to all of you? Yes. Harshdeep, Divyansh 10th D, Vivan Uppal 47 roll number 10th D. Am I clear? So how to start the form? Let me show one practical web page where I will create the coding and you can see the browser view of the form. I start with HTML tag. Beta, is the notepad window visible to everyone? Yes, Rahul. 36 roll number 10th A. We have the head tag. We have the title tag. I am giving title forms. Body tag. I am giving the body BG color as silver. In order to start the form, we will use form tag. We will use form tag. Okay. Now, I am entering the label. First label, enter your name. I am entering the first label, enter your name. Okay. Then I want a text box should appear after this label. How to create the controls? आज आप पहला कंट्रोल सीखोगे टेक्स्ट बॉक्स. How to create text box? I give the title also here. Text box. Okay. In order to create the controls, the tag is input space type attribute equals to, write the name of the control which you want to create. I want to create the text box, so I will write here text. I want to create the text box 10th class, so I will write here text. Okay. Then the next and the most important attribute that you have to give is the name attribute. You are to specify the name to your control. आपको अपने कंट्रोल को एक नाम देना है. This name will be internally feeded into the server. By this name, your control will be recognized. Any name you can give. I am giving the name box1. You can give any name. By this name, your control will be recognized. Okay. So I am giving the name box1. Clear? Close this angle bracket. Do not close the input tag. It is not container. It is empty tag. Do not close it. Then give the BR tag. Come in the next line. Next label. Enter the login ID. Again, you want to create the text box. Input type equal to text. Name equal to box2. Again, BR. Third label. enter the admission number. Again, one text box you want to create. Input type equal to text, name equal to box 3. So 3 text boxes I have created. Okay. I close the form tag. Here I close the H1 tag. Here I close the body tag. Here I close the HTML tag. I save this web page. Text box first control.html. Let us see the browser view. See, here you can fill your name. You can fill your login ID. You can fill your admission number. Right? Am I clear? They are single line input box. You cannot input data in multiple lines. You can only put input single line text. Clear? Now, as you are looking the browser view, you might be noticing that one box is ahead, second box is going bit right. The placement of boxes, it is not in proper alignment. Have you noticed? The placement of text boxes is not in one proper line. One box is in front, other is at the back. Okay. Am I clear, 10th class? What I want to say, you people? Harshdeep, Prabgun, Isha Preet. So, in order to type the HTML form coding, always prefer to use table tag. Combine the coding of HTML forms with the table so that the text boxes as well as the text get properly aligned, properly managed. How? I tell you. After the body tag, open the table tag without border attribute. Open the table tag without border attribute. Okay? Am I clear? Then start the table tag. I have already taken table tag. Do not take the border attribute. Okay? Form tag. First row, TR. This is one cell. This is second cell. हर रो में 2 सेल होंगे, एक में लेबल, एक में कंट्रोल. What I mean by this is TD, TD closes, TD, TD closes, and here you close the row. Here you close the row. Then again the next row, ओके, नेक्स्ट सेकंड रो का पहला सेल, देन सेकंड रो का दूसरा सेल, right, and close the second row, then third row, first cell, third row second cell, okay, and close the row, close the form tag, and close the table tag. Am I clear what I have done? Now see the change. All the boxes are properly aligned. Have you noticed? See the arrangement of all the boxes. How properly the entire form is properly aligned. Am I clear to all? 10th class. The first control is clear. Text box. All right. Let us go with the second control. I create one more row here. TD. Enter the password. Enter the password. How to enter the password? Today, our second control is password control. How to create the password control? Input type equal to password. When you were supposed to create the text box, the control was text. Now you are creating password, your control will be password. When you will enter the password, it will not be visible. Rather, asterisk symbol will be shown. Okay? Asterisk or solid dark circle, what you call disk. Your characters in the password, your actual password will not be shown, it will be hidden by asterisk or by disk. Again, give the name here. I am giving the name pass1. Close the TD and close the TR. Right? Let us see the browser view. Enter the name Aditya, enter the login ADITYA123, enter admission number 123, password C. Am I clear to all? How the password is coming? Am I clear to all? When you will click on the submit button, your form gets submitted to the server. Okay. At the server side, we have some scripts that will help in processing of your form. The processing of the form will be done. The database will be created and the relevant response will be sent to the user's browser. Okay. Bisam, am I clear? Am I clear?
Sir.
Am I clear with the text box and password control today? 10th class?